Have you ever wondered how you can make money creatively? Well, we're here to tell you that the traditional 9 to 5 grind isn't the only game in town. You see, the world has evolved, and so have the ways of earning a living. It's a whole new era where creativity isn't just appreciated, but can also be quite lucrative. We're talking about innovative, out-of-the-box, and even fun ways to make money. From leveraging the power of social media platforms to venturing into e-commerce, freelancing, real estate, and even trading and investing. We'll be delving into these exciting avenues and more, showing you that the possibilities are endless when it comes to creative earning. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking for your next venture or someone interested in diversifying your income streams, this video is for you. So are you ready to dive in? Let's explore the world of creative money making. First up, let's talk about the power of social media. Social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram aren't just for sharing your life's highlights or your cat's antics. They can be lucrative platforms for earning money if you know how to leverage them. Let's start with YouTube. If you have a knack for creating engaging content, whether it's makeup tutorials, travel vlogs, or cooking shows, you can monetize your videos through ads. Once you reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you are eligible to join YouTube's partner program. This allows you to earn revenue from your videos. Additionally, as your channel grows, you can also earn money through sponsorships and collaborations with brands. Next, we have TikTok, a platform known for its short, catchy videos. Here, you can earn money by participating in the TikTok Creator Fund, where you get paid based on the number of views your videos get. On top of that, TikTok is a great place for influencer marketing. Brands are always on the lookout for popular TikTokers to promote their products. And then there's Instagram. With a substantial following, you can make a decent income through sponsored posts, brand collaborations, and even your own product line. Instagram is particularly effective for visual niches like fashion, beauty, and travel. But remember, the key is to create content that resonates with your audience and represents your personal brand authentically. Each of these platforms has its own unique strengths. YouTube is great for long-form, detailed content. TikTok shines with quick, entertaining clips. Instagram excels at visual storytelling. And the best part? You don't have to choose just one. You can cross-promote your content on different platforms, expanding your reach and potential for income. With a bit of creativity and consistency, social media platforms can be your goldmine. Moving on, let's delve into the world of e-commerce and freelancing. This vast realm of opportunities is like a treasure trove just waiting to be explored. Let's first talk about the possibilities of selling products online. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy have revolutionized the retail industry. Amazon, for instance, has over 200 million visitors per month. It has become an online shopping behemoth that offers a platform for sellers to reach a massive audience. And what about eBay, where you can auction off items to the highest bidder or sell at a fixed price? It's a marketplace that's perfect for both new and used items. Then there's Etsy, a unique platform focusing on handmade or vintage items and craft supplies. It's the ideal place for creative souls to sell their unique and artistic products. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the potential of offering services online. Freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Udemy are thriving hubs for individuals to offer their skills and knowledge. On Fiverr, you can offer services ranging from graphic design to content writing, from video editing to programming. Upwork, on the other hand, is a platform where businesses and independent professionals connect and collaborate remotely, It's a global freelancing platform where savvy businesses and professional freelancers go to work. And then there's Udemy, an online learning platform. If you're an expert in a certain field, why not create a course and share your knowledge with the world? The beauty of e-commerce and freelancing is that they allow for flexibility and creativity. You can find your niche, be it selling vintage clothing, offering your writing services, or teaching a course on coding. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're selling a product or a service, the online marketplace is ripe with opportunities. The key is to find what you're passionate about and then find a platform that suits your needs. So, are you ready to explore the world of e-commerce and freelancing? Before we move on to our next exciting topic, we'd like to take a moment to remind you to join our growing community. If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with the latest ways to earn creatively, do hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you never miss any of our future videos. We're here to provide valuable content to help you navigate the world of creative earnings, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have any creative earning methods you'd like to share? Maybe you've had success in a field we haven't covered yet. Or perhaps you have some questions or need further clarification on the topics we've discussed so far. Whatever it might be, drop us a comment below. We're all here to learn and grow together, and your input is invaluable. So don't hesitate, and let's keep this conversation going. Now, let's dive into the world of real estate and virtual assistants. Next, let's look at some more traditional yet creative ways to earn money. Real estate and virtual assistants, while seeming worlds apart, both offer profitable opportunities when approached with a creative mindset. Let's start with real estate. You've probably heard of the concept of buying properties to rent them out and generate income. But have you heard about the rent-to-rent strategy? It's a unique twist on the traditional buy-to-let model. With rent-to-rent, instead of buying a property, you rent it from the owner and then rent it out to someone else at a higher price. This strategy allows you to generate income from real estate without the significant upfront investment usually required to buy a property. Now, this method does require some negotiation skills and a keen understanding of the rental market. But with the right property and the correct pricing strategy, you could be looking at a steady stream of income. But what if you're more inclined towards the digital world? Virtual assistants might be your thing. A virtual assistant offers administrative services remotely. This can include anything from managing emails and schedules to handling social media, all from the comfort of your home. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is that you can work with multiple clients at once, diversifying your income sources. Plus, as businesses continue to embrace remote work, the demand for virtual assistants is on the rise. To succeed as a virtual assistant, you'll need strong organizational skills and the ability to juggle multiple tasks. You might also need specific technical skills, depending on the services you offer. But with some dedication and a willingness to learn, you can carve out a niche for yourself in this growing field. So, whether you're a property enthusiast or a digital wizard, there's a creative income stream waiting for you. These methods might require a bit more expertise, but the rewards can be substantial. Lastly, let's talk about making money through trading and investing. This isn't the path to quick riches, mind you, but a strategic game that requires knowledge, patience, and a healthy dose of risk management. First off, we have Forex trading. This involves buying and selling different currencies in the global market. It's a 24-hour market from Monday to Friday, and it's all about predicting shifts in the value of one currency against another. Think of it like a seesaw. When one side goes up, the other goes down. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and it requires an understanding of economic factors and market trends. Then we have stock trading. This is buying and selling shares in a company. When you buy a share, you own a tiny piece of that company. The goal here is to buy low and sell high. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot more to it. You need to understand the company you're investing in, its financial health, market position, and potential for growth. It's a bit like being a detective, piecing together clues to predict the future. But here's the catch with both Forex and stock trading. They're not just about making smart choices. They're also about managing your risks. You could make a dozen great trades, but one bad decision could wipe out all your gains. So it's crucial to set a budget, stick to it, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Also, it's important to remember that trading and investing are not for everyone. They require time, dedication, and a willingness to learn. You need to study the markets, understand the jargon, and stay up to date with the latest news. In conclusion, trading and investing can be lucrative ways to make money, but they're not without their challenges. They require financial literacy, strategic planning, and risk management. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, the rewards can be significant. Remember, with great risk comes great reward. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the vast world of creative income generation, beginning with the power of social media platforms. From YouTube to TikTok to Instagram, we've seen how these platforms can become lucrative stages for talented individuals. We then transitioned into the realms of e-commerce and freelancing, exploring the income potential in platforms like Amazon, eBay, Fiverr, Upwork, and Udemy. We've discovered how selling products, offering services, or teaching skills can turn into profitable ventures. Our journey continued into the world of real estate and virtual assistants, where we unraveled the opportunities of rent-to-rent strategies and virtual assistance roles. Lastly, we navigated the complex but rewarding world of trading and investing, discussing the potential of Forex, stocks, and other investment avenues. The possibilities are endless when it comes to creative money making. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring your options today. Before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you of the importance of continuous learning and growth in your journey towards financial independence. Remember, the key to success lies in your hands, and it's your willingness to learn and adapt that will ultimately determine your progress. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing your boundaries. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments section below. Maybe you've tried one of these methods, or perhaps you have another creative way to earn money that we haven't mentioned. Whatever it is, we want to hear from you. Remember, your journey is just as important as your destination. So, let's continue this journey together, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring your potential.